Okay, so today we're going to look at how to view the derivative of any given point while looking at the base graph of a function, so not the derivative function. So what you want to do is, when you're in menu, you go to graph, and over here I put in just a random function here. So what normally happens is that you'll graph it, you'll get what it looks like, and if you want to get the derivative of that, what you can do is you can start writing out over here. You can go to option, you can go to calc, get to the derivative over here, ddx, and then enter in, let's say, this function, and you'll hit enter. So it will graph it. The problem though is that it takes a really long time, and the loading time is kind of what makes it basically useless, on a test or for your own use. So instead, we'll graph this function, even though we want the derivative at, let's say, x equals 1. So we'll graph it. Whoops. We'll graph it. And what we want to do is go to Shift, Menu, and go down to derivative. So I have it on because I already turned this on, but by default it will be off, and you'll turn it on. What happens when you do that is that now, when we graph this, you can go to F1 to trace, and wherever you move, you'll see that there's actually this area over here which reads the derivative at that given point. Now this wouldn't have been there if you hadn't turned it on, and this is incredibly useful because now you can see the derivative at any given point here. So let's go to 1. Okay, we can get to about 1. If we make the scale a little smaller, we can get there. But you can see basically how it works, so that's good.